Hello everyone! So today ay Sunday at wala tayong pasok sa trabaho ngayon. And may practice kami ng volleyball ngayon. Dahil malapit na nga ang Sport Fest ng JBC. So ayun na nga, taon-taon ginaganap yung Sport Fest ng JBC. Bago tayo pumunta doon, ay magdi-deliver muna ako ng leche flan. Ito yung first deliver natin. Napaka-sexy naman ng customer ko. Umorder na nga siya nung una sa akin. Tapos nagulat ako, umorder ulit siya, 3. Salamat po sa pag-order. Masarap nga kasi talaga tong leche flan na binebenta ko. Hindi naman sila bibili ulit kung hindi masarap, 'di ba? Okay, punta na tayo sa next order natin.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack. And you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight. So pack your bags and hold on tight, 'cause we're taking off. Pack up here, pack is in. Pack up here, in. Pack here, in. Back coast, hold back.
Hello guys, andyan pa kayo? Andito na nga ako sa meetup namin. Antayin ko na nga lang muna dito si ate. Medyo matagal nga ako nag-antay dito kasi ang tagal mo mag-reply te. Pero okay lang yon, at least umorder ka. Ayun, lumabas na rin siya.
Ay, one time mo yung Google Vlog. Send mo na lang, ha? Ilagay ko lang ako. Thank you, be.
So ayun na nga, diretso na tayo ng court at magpa-practice na tayo ng volleyball.
Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP. A shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, 'cause we're moving on. Pack up here, pack is in. Pack up here, in. Pack here, in. Back coast, hold back, there in. Run away with me.